Caelan,
we all took? Well, I'd love it if we took 30 seconds to record our thoughts about SPI Pro. What if we did a chat waterfall? And let's spend 30 seconds without hitting enter and spend 30 seconds answering the question, how has my life and business changed since I joined SPI Pro? Don't hit enter till the end of the song. How has your life and business changed since joining SPI Pro?
All right, everyone start typing.
Let's all hit enter in 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Oh boy. I'm gonna have to remember to save the chat.
Caelan, you're hired.
You're hired.
Hey.
Caelan knows a thing or two about hosting a Zoom.
Thing or two.
Yeah, it's kind of his thing.
Thank you for that, Caelan. Wow, that was a gift.